Muslim League moved Supreme Court challenging center's notification allowing minorities of Afghanistan, Pakistan and Bangladesh to apply for Indian citizenship. Indian Union Muslim League has moved the apex court challenging center's notification making it possible for persons residing in certain districts who are belonging to minority communities in Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan to apply for Indian citizenship. The Union Muslim League has averred in its plea challenging the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. The centre had earlier submitted that staying of the Amendment Act was not necessary since the rules of the Amendment Act had not been framed. However, the IA filed by the Indian Union Muslim League through advocates Harish Paran and Pallavi Pratap states that the respondent union, in a roundabout way and in an attempt to circumvent the assurance given to its honorable court, have sought to implement their malified designs envisaged under the Amendment Act through the recently issued order dated 28 May 2021. Indian Muslim League moves Supreme Court challenging the centre's notification making it possible for persons residing in certain districts who are belonging to minority communities in Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan to apply for Indian citizenship. So this tweet reads, and it may be noted that Indian Union of Muslim League was the first party to approach the apex court against Citizenship Amendment Act even before the act received the presidential assent. Now, Muslim League has also challenged Order 3A of the Foreigners Order 1948, Rule 4HA of the Passport Entry into India Rules 1950 and as void for being in violation of Articles 14, 15 and 21 and the basic structure of the Constitution for discriminating among persons on the basis of their faith and religion. Now the further averments in the IA, the plea states that during the pendency of the writ petition, the Ministry of Home Affairs, Union of India has gone ahead and issued the order dated 28 May 2021, which is manifestly illegal and run counter to the provision of the Act as well as the Constitution on the following grounds. Whilst Section 51AG of the Act lays down in unequivocal terms the persons who are eligible to apply for citizenship by registration. Section 6 of the Act permits any person not being an illegal migrant to apply for citizenship by naturalization. Therefore, the attempt being made by the respondent union in whittling down the applicability of the two provisions through an executive order is illegal. That the two provisions read together do not permit the classification of applicants on the ground of religious and therefore the order goes beyond what is permitted by the provision itself. Furthermore, the order does not withstand the test of Article 14 inasmuch as it treats people within a particular class, persons entitled to apply for citizenship by registration and naturalization unequally by virtue of their religion. Lastly, the plea argues that if the said order is implemented and citizenship is given to persons on the basis of their religion, and thereafter, if the court strikes down the Amendment Act and rules, then to take back the citizenship of these persons granted pursuant to the present order will be Herculean task and would be near impossible to implement. It may be noted that under the May 28, 2021 order, the collector of the district of Morbi, Rajkot, Patan and Vadodara in the state of Gujarat, Durg and Baloda Bazar in the state of Chhattisgarh, Jalore, Udaipur, Pali, Barmer and Sirohi in the state of Rajasthan, Faridabad in the state of Haryana and Jalandhar in the state of Punjab have been empowered to exercise the powers of the central government under Section 5 for registration as a citizenship of India or for grant of certificate of naturalization under Section 6.